This is a tutorial on how to apply your wall sticker. Step 1. Clean the area which you will be applying the sticker to. Make sure it is dry and clean. Step 2. Attach the sticker to the surface using masking tape and make sure it is straight and exactly where you want it. Step 3. Put masking tape across the middle of the sticker. Step 4. Fold one half of the sticker across and peel off the backing paper. Step 5. Cut off the excess backing paper, ensuring you're not cutting into the sticker. Step 6. Using a squeegee or credit card, firmly rub the sticker to the wall. Step 7. Remove all the tapes, including the middle one. Step 8. Fold the other half of the sticker over to expose the cut-off line. Step 9. Remove the remaining backing paper, being careful not to pull the already applied part of the sticker. Step 10. Using a squeegee or credit card, firmly rub the remaining sticker to the surface. Step 11. Make sure the sticker is firmly applied to the wall and there is no bubbles or creases. And finally, Step 12. Remove the transfer tape starting from the corner, going diagonally with your hands flat against the wall.